Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Semester's Python programming playlist. Today we are going to learn about two important basic concepts in Python, comments and keywords. Both play a very important role in writing clean, understandable and error-free programs. Let's start with comments. Comments are lines in a program that are ignored by the Python interpreter. They are written only for humans to understand the code better. Comments do not affect program execution. Since we are saying these comments are ignored by the interpreter while execution, then what is the use of using comments in our Python? First use is comments are used to explain Python code. Comments help explain what a particular piece of code is doing, making it easier for others to understand the program. Used to prevent execution when testing code. Let's suppose you don't want to execute a block of code while testing. Then what you will do? You will just comment this block of code so that it will get ignored by interpreter during execution. And last usage of using comments is it provides documentation. Comments can be used to describe purpose of functions, logic or modules which helps in maintaining large programs. These are the primary uses of comments. Now let's see types of comments available in Python. We have two types, single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments are written using the hash symbol. Everything after hash in that line is treated as a comment. And how to write multi-line comments? These spans multiple lines. Python supports this using triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Everything which goes in between these will be treated as a comment. Now let's see how comments work practically using Python ideally. Let me define two variables, a that holds value 10 and b that holds value 20. I want to store value of a and b, sum of a and b in variable c. Let me print variable c value, and after printing c, let me print program completed. Now let me save and execute it. You can execute a Python program in ideally by pressing F5 key. So what our program is doing, it declares two variables a and b and then stores sum of a and b in variable c. We are printing value of c and finally we are showing a message called program completed. Now let's comment this last line, single line comments. So when you comment it, as you can see, the color of this entire line got changed to red. Now what will our program do? Our program will print value of c and this line will be ignored by the interpreter. Let's execute again, Ctrl plus S and F5. See, only 30 is getting printed and the line which we comment is ignored by the interpreter. In this way, we use single line comment in Python. If you want to comment out multiple lines, let's say we want to comment out from A to printing the value of C, we will use triple double quotes. See, all these lines got commented, and now if we execute this program, only the last line will get executed because The first four lines got ignored by interpreter as they are treated as comment, multi-line comment. You can either use triple double quotes or triple single quotes. Now let me execute the same. See, here you can see the last line is only getting executed by the interpreter. In this way, comments are used to comment out a part of code during execution, and you can also use these comments to document your code. For example, this program prints a statement. Now, when a new person other than you comes and open this demo.py, after reading this line, he will get to know that okay, this program only prints a statement and nothing more than that. If you have a complex logic body below this, here we have only print a statement. Let's say you have a complex logical body below this comment. You can write out here what is the functionality, main technical functionality of that block of code on top of it, so that if a new person opens your Python file, they will get to know okay, this block is performing this type of functionality. So it increases code readability. In this way, comment works in Python. Next comes keywords. Keywords are reserved words in Python that have special meanings. These words are part of Python's syntax and they cannot be used as variable names, function names, or identifiers. Few important points about keywords are: keywords are predefined by Python. We don't need to define again. These are predefined by Python. Each keyword has a specific purpose. And the most important point is keywords are case sensitive. Almost every keyword available in Python or in lowercase letters will start with lowercase also, but only three which are highlighted here: false, true, and none. These start with uppercase letter and contains lowercase letters. Except these three, all other available keyword in Python contains only lowercase letters. Using keywords incorrectly will result in syntax error. So these all are the available keywords in Python. In the next video, we will discuss about indentation in Python. Thank you.